Yes.
Okay. In SAP QM, we have a vast type of master data where we have, because the quality management, when we say that as an SAP is an enterprise resource planning, it's an ERP tool which is being used at a multiverse, as you also know, as you have an experience in MM. And when it comes to consulting, or when it comes to the end users has only few transactional access or a few conceptual access, and the issues can be resolved by the consultants, but not from the end users, because they will be using the application, that's it. But we will be configuring, we will be defining, we will be setting as new rules, and we will be doing the creating the master data, transactional data, whatever it is on the daily life when we are going with a QM. Okay, the quality management module itself in production, in the production, like in the shop floor, when we are going to produce any product, right? Okay, we need to have some quality checks to be done, right? Like at what time should I do the quality check? At what time should I do the quality check? And what are the quality checks should I do? What are the characteristics checks I need to do? Whether should I accept this quality or not? Whether I must accept this material or the component or not? So when it comes to the terminology in SAP, we have something called quality management in procurement. Means when we are going to purchase a product or any material from a vendor or any supplier. Okay, and we will do the quality checks, quality management in production. Means when we do the production, like inspect plot 02, 03, and 04, we do. And when it comes to the sales and distribution, I mean to say, like, I have produced a product and I'm going to sell it, and I'm going to distribute it to the customer or to the end person who has given me an order. So before sending any product to the customer, like when we have suppose I have delivered a car to a customer. Before doing the delivery, as a person from the shop floor, I must ensure the quality checks about the build, about the engine, what is the capacity, what are the seats, whether the lights are working or not, physical inspection, and all the inspections I will be doing before doing any delivery, right? That's called sales and distribution, at the time of sales and distribution. And suppose in process, we will do the quality control checks. How to do that? By making some things called with the master data in the system. And we have so many concepts when we go in deep, as I said initially, about the planning process or even controlled process, are the management of information management or inventory management in the QM, would like to say. Okay, and let me just main thing when it comes to the material master, like the master data perspective in quality management we have is, in the material master level, we must activate some things called quality management, and we must have some information record or batch management concepts are there, and the vendor master data concepts are there, where we do some activities like this, which is the main master data I would like to say in QM. But let me come with my screen with I didn't prepare and come to the session today directly with the QM. Thank you.
No problem.
I have come with a PP actually, with the PDF documents, and which we have the course from the course Divin, what we have PP, what we deal with. I have come with the proper documents and all, and this is the PP document where I have, and we train all the professionals, the people who are coming to us, about the way how we teach and what are the, we deal with the SO access, with the SO applications, with the Fury apps, and this is for the PP which I am trying to show to you. But when it comes to the quality management module, there is no much difference, I would like to say, when it comes to the S/4HANA simplified quality management with respect to the Fury apps, where I think your son is doing the test cases against to the quality process, or in the quality management module, he might create some inspection lots, or what is the results recording, or what is the user decision he is going to do. Like, I mean to say, in a layman view, I want to say, like, what is quality management module does in SAP? Because In SAP, we have multiple modules: PP, MM, QM, SD, and FICO, right? The quality management modular is an integration between MM and production planning. Okay, when it comes to the shop floor and when it comes to the material management module, we have an integration between MM, SD also, and PP. Okay, so when we are going to produce any product, or when we are going to purchase any product, or when we have doing a delivery, means I'm selling a pen, how should I do the quality checks, whether the product is in a good shape, whether the ink is there or not, whether the nib is there or not. I must make sure like what is the characteristic inside my product. Means inside a pen, the refill must be there, which is a characteristic. So I need to create a characteristic for it. Whether it's a blue color pen or red color pen or yellow color pen, I must make sure I am doing a quality check, whether visually, physically, and all. So that's the reason quality management module enables us to understand what is the inspection we need to do, what is at the time of procurement, what I need to do, and I have to make a result for it. If I make a result, then when a customer says, "Hey Deepak, there is an issue with your product. Can you let me know what is the reason? You have told that you have sold me red color pen, but I have reached as a blue color pen. Can you let me know what is the reason?" Then we'll do the reverse engineering with the batch management in the QM views, under what production order we have produced, what is the quality checks we have done, physically or visually, whatever it is. We'll be making an exceptional things when we are doing this. So before doing any quality checks or quality things, we need to do some planning called as quality planning. Okay. And for the quality planning, how should I have the master data and all, I will be trying to explain in the system. This is coming in deep into the SAP, but I don't want to go for today when it comes to like as a introduction class, where the QM main activities work with the inspection lot creation, results effect recording, and inspection lot completion and all. So, but in master data, we have so many things called a catalog set, sampling procedures. We have MICs, we have characteristics, classes, and all. Where as of now, I don't want to disturb. But as an example, I said as a pen, when I want to do some things as a master data, when I was saying it is in catalog set, master data, inspection characteristic, class, inspection methods. These are the master data which we need to create as a master data. And the inspection plan, reference operation sets, and the material specification, we will be defining everything